By the end of this video, you are going to know how to use the $20 a month ChatGPT plan to save tens of thousands of dollars for your business. And I say this, one, because I'm really tired of videos that make AI seem super complicated. They've got all these crazy workflows. This is incredibly simple. And two, I'm actually doing this myself and have been for about 6 months. I'm going to break it down further, but this is basically how I'm creating workflows to create all marketing assets for my business, whether it's taking a YouTube video, taking a meeting, taking a webinar, taking a product conversation with my team, and immediately turning that around and making it a blog post, a press release, a marketing asset like a white paper, a testimonial on my website, a blog post, et cetera, et cetera. I'm taking transcripts and a lot of context and not just generically making it a blog that I have to keep working with for like another 30 minutes to actually get it look pretty. I'm going to show you step by step how to actually create a prompt that gives you the exact publish ready output that you need right away. Just to show you that I'm doing this for my own business, I run one of the largest tech sales education platforms in the world online, higherlevels.com. Everything you see here from our blogs, these were generated from YouTube videos in about 5 seconds each. All of our video reviews here, of course, we have actual video conversations, but the text that you see here on this website, all of this was taken from the transcript and like publish ready in 5 seconds. Not like, oh, it did a little bit of the work and I had to sit with it for another 10 minutes to get it actually to what I wanted. I have figured out how to prompt ChatGPT so specifically that within 1 or 2 responses, I'm getting exactly what I need. Lastly, as we get into it, guys, totally optional here, but if you want all of these prompts in an instructional guide I made sent directly to your email, underneath this video in the description, there is a link, and I literally don't even have a newsletter or anything else to sell you. I've just made a more comprehensive step-by-step guide so you can set these up yourself. The biggest unlock for me has been using the $20 a month ChatGPT plan. And if you buy that, you will see that you can create projects. These are best for things that you are doing repeatedly. So say, in my case, I'm making several blogs a week. I'm making several testimonial posts a week. I'm making product updates. I'm sending very high quality follow-up emails to prospects that I'm talking to. Things that I'm doing repeatedly where I want to get really specific on exactly what I want. This is great for a project. When you create a project, we can do a simple one. I'm going to show you the ones that I already have made, but let's call it, YouTube video to blog post. I've already got one made, so you literally just hit create project. Once you do that, you're just going to see an empty box here where you can ask it things. You can provide it instructions, and this is the beauty of it. And what I'm going to send you in the link below this video is this exact prompt that I'm using. And then also what really helps with projects specifically is if you actually add files of successful examples. So what I mean is, in addition to this YouTube to blog generator, I have a testimonial writer. It takes a transcript of a conversation I have with a student from our platform and makes it a testimonial that's ready for our website. Not only, again, do I have extremely thorough instructions, and I will send those to you as well, but the project files here that I have for reference are some of our highest performing testimonials from our website. So I actually went in and downloaded the web page. Like I actually would just go in and hit file print and print this as a PDF here. And once I have that, I'm actually putting this here and saying, hey, this is what a good testimonial looks like for our Tech Sales Ascension program, right? So you can give it thorough instructions so you don't have to come in every single day to ChatGPT and like start a new chat and say, I need a testimonial, blah, 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 blah. You've got the instructions pre-baked. It's ready to go. And now the important unlock for me that I want to show you as well has been creating great instructions. This website, promptcowboy.ai, has been a total game changer. I have no affiliation whatsoever, and it's free at the time of making this video. What it does is it takes a simple prompt like this and makes it a great one. If you are, like me, creating custom projects to do repeatable tasks, instead of just saying a standard prompt like this, you can come in and get a custom GPT or agent prompt. And now you can say, I need an agent that takes a YouTube video transcript and creates a blog post that is optimized for the following terms: tech sales, cold calling, sales interviews. Insert the amount of keywords that you would want here for your business. And I might just say, and any other words that are relevant based on the transcript. use best practices for Google SEO and GEO for LLMs to cite my blog post. Now, this in of itself has a little bit of depth, but this is why I love Prompt Cowboy, because it takes a simple prompt like this and it now makes it extremely comprehensive. So it's taking what it calls a lazy prompt here, and now it's making a highly structured, highly detailed prompt that gives ChatGPT way more specificity when it is going to do all of the tasks that you're requesting. So it's talking about the structure of the blog post, using H2 headings, leveraging several best practices, all of these different things. And what you'll notice, and again, I will send this to you in this landing page that is below the video itself, but in the instructions on my YouTube to blog generator, I actually not only have all of those instructions from Prompt Cowboy, but I actually have a blog output template that I tell it. So I want the blog title, the meta description, URL slug, the intro, and I'm actually having it match this style every single time. And I will tell you guys, there are several keywords. I've only had my blog live for about 3 weeks. There are several niche keywords I'm already coming up on the first page. And the beauty, if you are a YouTube creator, is that when you have embedded videos on your actual blog that are high credibility, that have some views, that actually enhances your ability to rank on Google. Lastly, guys, I just want to show you a simple example. I actually have a transcript here. So this was from a YouTube podcast episode I did with a colleague, Connor. And I'll just come in here and say, I need a testimonial, or excuse me, I need a blog post generated from this testimonial. And sorry, I meant to say YouTube video. And here in about 10 seconds, I have a fully optimized blog post ready to go for my website. And obviously, I told it again to optimize for things like cold calling. There's really great info in here. Because I've given it so much information, because I've set up a project to do this again and again, it has the structure already. It has all of the information that I want for it, and it comes in here and just executes flawlessly. I'll do one more as an example because I did mention I have this testimonial writer. I need a testimonial from this conversation I had with our student, Mark. I'll grab this testimonial right here. And once again, you see, I'm just going to go to our website. You see this format where there's an overarching quote. What made them choose our program? What was the most valuable part? What advice do you have for someone considering the program? And this is exactly what we get here because I've already given it a thorough set of instructions to execute on this right away. This has saved me probably at least 40 hours a month, not to mention all the labor, all the people we used to pay to write our blogs, keep up our website for us. This has saved me so much money, guys. And if you are even any type of context, whether you have a YouTube channel with tons of videos, whether you have calls and you want to take those calls and make an executive summary, or take those calls and make it a white paper for your business or marketing asset or anything of that nature, I'm going to give you guys the instructions here to do all of that. And by the way, this is actually something that has saved me so much time and money. I'm actually considering making it a official SaaS product as well. So I will send this to you. And literally my only ask is if you're using it a lot, you like it a lot, I might reach out to you and literally get feedback as I start to build an actual SaaS product for this. But hopefully, guys, this was a no fluff, actually tactical guide for YouTube. I'm just really tired of these overly fancy videos that use fancy music and make AI seem like this thing that's super sophisticated and only for people who are already tech savvy. If you sit down with this for like an hour, your life is going to change if you implement all of the prompts and whatnot that I just told you. So if you have any questions, I watch the comments myself below, but I hope you get a lot out of it. Again, in the description, you can sign up and I'll send you a more in-depth tutorial. Really appreciate it, guys, and we will see you in the next one. Thanks.